So guys, I have finally done mascara and now I look a little alive. Like I was winding up everything. I was like, are we missing something? Like there is something that I'm missing for sure. And then I realized it's mascara and I just couldn't believe myself. But anyways, things keep happening. Thank you so much once again. Keep pouring in all the love. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are meeting after really long and this time I have come up with a 5-minute, like literally 5-minute day look makeup. So I really wanted to do this for really long and so I finally thought because of my exams I wasn't being able to shoot anything, but now since they're over I was like I have to shoot something super soon and a day look was in my mind. So without any talking, like I always do a lot of talking, so without any talking, let's just start. So guys, we first have to prime our face or moisturize our face. I like to moisturize it with, I mean you can do it with any cream or any moisturizer, whatever you feel like. I'm going to be linking down everything below in the comment, in the description, just in case you guys want to know. And yeah. So guys, my face is finally set, like I'm done with the priming. Now I'm going to be doing the concealer first, like I always do. So I'm going to be grabbing the concealer by my finger and like apply it everywhere that I want to, which is under the eye. Everywhere where I feel there's a discoloration or darkness. Remember guys, since it's a day look, keep it very light. It's not a night look and it's not like anything will go. It'll all be visible in the light, and so please take care of that. So a little bit more around in here because I have a little bit of hair, growth, and a little bit around here. I have a little spot here, so that's what I like to conceal. And now I will just be buffing with a slightly damp beauty blender, and I'm just gonna go in. So guys, after concealer, the third thing is gonna be the foundation. I'm gonna take a little bit by the back of my hand, like a little bit, because it's a day look, always remember. And I'm going to be taking it by my blender and just going very lightly, like I'm just going to dab 3-4 times and just blend really well, because in the day everything shows. So if you haven't blended it well, it'll all show in the light. So make sure in the day, especially, I think all the time, but in the day it's like kind of more important that you just blend out everything really well, because a little bit of laziness will show up to the other person and we just don't want that to happen. Now you guys, I will be contouring with this stick. Now for the day I like to take a lighter shade, like as compared to night. What I use for a night contouring, the shade that I use is much darker. For the day I like to go light so that you have done contouring but doesn't look like, if you know what I mean. So we're gonna do that. So because this is a cream contour, I'm actually gonna draw the lines and then try and blur them out and merge them with the rest of the makeup. Now I'm going to be merging this with the help of my blender, the same one. Okay guys, so we're done with the first three steps: priming, concealer, base, and actually 4 steps now contouring. Now we're gonna move on to the 5th step, which is a little bit of powdering, because I want to set the whole thing, and then I'll be doing my blush, and you guys can guess my highlighter. Okay, so let's go in. So I'm going to be grabbing a tiny little brush and the powder. I'm going to be dabbing everywhere around very lightly. Do not powder your eyelids, because you still have to do your eye makeup. So if you powder it, the makeup won't set later. Powder rest of your face, and this looks fine. A little bit extra under the eyes if you feel that there is bagginess, or if there is dark circles, anything that you think shows. Okay, done with the powdering. Now we're gonna move on to the blush. Now for blush, I actually use a very light shade from Maybelline. This is like, I want to share this with you right now. This is called this is Medium Mauve from the Fit Me collection. It's actually broken, but yeah. So I use this one. It's very natural and very light, and I actually use the brush that comes along with this, because it's perfect to cover the right area, at least on my face structure. I will actually use a lot, because you can't even see this, like this is that light. Okay, I just like to use very little on my forehead, because I like that pinky sort of an effect. Like, I like that thing where you look really blushed and really pink. So yeah, we're done with the blush now, guys. The next step, I'm going very stepwise because I want this to be short and crisp. So the next step is highlighter. I again use the highlighting stick from Maybelline, this one, and a very natural highlighter for the day, not going too harsh. Next step, and a very important step, is your eyebrows. So I'm going to be bringing you guys closer to me, because I really want to share with this with you guys properly, like how to do the eye thing. I'm going to be doing a very light transition shade and a little bit of shimmer, like day shimmer. So first we're going to go into this little cutie that I bought recently. I love mini, you guys, of everything. So I just love this. It is a Wet n Wild palette with 4 shades. I'm going to be going into the transition shade with, again, a new addition into my makeup kit, this brush. These amazing brushes from Miniso are just wonderful, and I just ordered them recently and I'm in love with them. So I'm going to be going into this shade, the transition shade in this palette. And let's go. So let me just show it to you guys first. You have to actually start from this side and go in towards your duct. So you basically have to start in here and go a little harder here. And then you slowly and slowly and slowly go inside. And you have to create an effect. See, eyeshadow is all about effect. It's all about shadows. So you have to create an effect that this looks slightly darker. Although you're doing the same shade, but this looks slightly darker as compared to your the inner thing. Okay, let me look at the mirror. That's about good. I'm just going to be grabbing a little more product. Now I'm going to be using a shimmer shade like I said before, and this is the palette. You guys might not find this online. Like, this is from China. It's a Chinese brand called Mavic, and you find it there. So I'm not very sure if you'll find it online. I don't think they are online, and you don't get it in India. So but yeah, I mean, I'm sure you get a similar shade in other brands as well. So it's this one right here, which I'm going to use with the help of my little finger and just pack it onto my lid, and you know, just mix the two. Mixing is later. First you just have to lay it. This is how it looks. I'm going to be going into the same brush, same crease brush, and just it has almost no product, and just merge the two ever so slightly. Don't start merging from here, start merging from the above thing only, and you will eventually see that you have actually merged the two. Like, you just need to do a little bit of merging, and it's about good. Now I'm going to be doing the next eye, like the second eye, but I'm going to be doing that off camera because I don't want to waste your time. So I'll just be right back. Okay guys, we've done the eyeshadow, we've done both the eyes, like you can see. And now the next step is very, very important, that of doing a liner. Now a liner is extremely important because I think it defines your face and it defines your look. It can really make or break a look, I feel. And for a really long time I wasn't using any liner, but the day I started, I think I realized its importance in makeup. So let me just do this. Now I'm really bad at this, so I'll be doing this off camera and I'll show you the final look. So guys, I'm back with a very light liner for the day look. I feel during the day you don't have to go very thick with your liner because it's literally the day, so it's fine, just chill. And so yeah, I've done this really thin liner, like you can see, and I'm totally in love with this. And now we're gonna move next with the highlighting of the eye. So highlighting the eye is very, very, very important because, like I said, it's all about effect and it's all about shadows. So we're gonna move in with the same crease brush, just dust it off a little bit and use this shade right here. This one is for the brow bone, and we're just gonna grab this a little and apply it right here, like right here, and just enhance the look. You can't really make out in the camera, I think, but it has really made a lot of difference. I can actually see it. And if you want to go a little darker, like a little extra, you can just go in with your finger, just like that, and then merge it. Oh my god, look at that. It's looking really nice. I'm going to do the same for the other eye as well. So So all this is gonna shine in the natural light. So don't go too extra. Yeah, that is about good. So we're done with the highlighting. Now the next step in the whole video is that of the lipstick and that of the brows. So for brows, I like to go very simple, just with a normal brush thing, like this curler thing, and I just like to brush this. And because I have, like, I'm blessed with bushy eyebrows, so I don't really need to fill them. So for the day look especially, I don't even feel like these starting this thing, because I think in the day just be natural, like natural is the thing for the day. So I don't even do that. Okay, so guys, now let's move on to the next step, which is that of a lipstick. Now for lipstick, for the day, I usually like to go in for a lighter shade. Now for lipstick, like, because I have done like really light eyes, like you can see, lipstick you guys can choose. So if you're going in for a really heavy occasion for the day, then you guys can go in for a darker lip. If you're going just for a lunch or just for a meeting or just like very casually to just meet a friend, or maybe, you know, just to eat something, just use a very natural nude shade like this one. This is Bombshell from Huda. This is what I use all the time, and it's a perfect day nude color. I recommend this to literally everyone. All of my friends have fallen in love with this, and like everyone around me just uses this. So it's like that good, especially with the day. And if you want to go, like, just step out and just want to do a little bit thing, don't do your eyes, don't do anything, just do your basic concealer, do your basic tint, and do your basic mascara, not even liner. It's your choice, and you can just step out. So but right now I'm going to be using this one, and before that I'm going to be priming my lips as well, like just putting the lip balm, not too much. Just that much. And now let's go in. So guys, like I said, the look is almost complete, like almost complete. We missed a step, and so I came back. Let me show you what I had this time. So I've come back with this MAC primer, Fix Plus, whatever you want to call it. It's called the Practice Prime. It's also called Fix Plus, like popularly. And I'm gonna be using this on my face. It actually sets the makeup in place if you have to go somewhere out for a really long duration. Also, it adds a little bit of shine, so even if you just have to step out for about 2 to 3 hours, use this, because it's just gives you that extra glow that you just need. It just like face tunes things for you and looks really nice. So I'm actually going to be spraying this on my face, and you guys will see the effect. Spray this from a distance and close your eyes. Do not open them. It's chemical after all. Okay guys, so the look is now finally complete. I'm very happy with the look, and I'm very happy with the tutorial. I hope you get, like, not a tutorial, but like, yeah, sharing with you my makeup thing. And guys, do comment and tell me how you like it. Do subscribe to my channel. I know you guys always do, that's unsaid. Do like, I know you always like. And do comment more and tell me if you like my videos. Tell me a comment and tell me about makeup videos, because I know you guys like my dance videos. I actually want to know if you want to see more of makeup, because I'm still confused, and that's why it took me so much time to come out with the makeup video, which is rather easier for me because I don't have to rehearse and practice, and and you know, it's like much more easier for me. So guys, until we meet next time, lots of love, keep pouring in the love.